Okay, see this pile? Let's see how much of it disappears this weekend. Because we got the pile definitely burning. So we'll just keep adding all this stuff to it. Okay, these are the skirt panels that my honey built, and he thinks they're funky, but I think they're amazing.
It's going to keep the cold air from blowing underneath.
I probably can't hear you. Okay, but will you explain how you built them?
Fiberglass sheets, 3/4 inch screws, kind of a wide flange Phillips. Then I went with a 2x2 hand ripped, and I went with treated on the bottom because that's going to be making contact on the gravel. But yeah, it's just covered with fiberglass sheets. And then this insulation board, 1 inch, and you touch it and your hand warms up. So I think it's going to do the same thing with the side of this thing. It's going to keep it warm under there. So, but they all clip together. Got these quick fasteners here. I still got to kind of level out the ground and get to this edge right here, because then we have a foam insulation tube that squeezes right in here, then weather strip adhesive that goes down in here and glues it to the fiberglass, and so it'll be kind of trimmed out nicely straight. But got a lot more work to do, get it leveled up and get it ready to be sealed again. And then I got anchor flanges on the bottom with rebar, so the wind can't blow out the bottoms.
Okay, what did Grandpa catch?
This is friend to friend. I'm introducing my new friend to Harper. There he is. It's a little frog.
A little tiny frog.
A little tree frog.
Wow, he's so small. He's little like you.
He's enjoying my warm hands.
He won't hurt you. You can touch him. He'll probably jump.
Oh, he's got a real unique mark on his top of his head. Looks like a dinosaur, long-necked dinosaur mark. Oh, wow.
Do you want to touch him? You can touch him.
He's looking at you.
He'll jump on your nose. He can. Look. Hi, little frog. Hello, little frog.
He'll stick to you. He says, hey, who are you? Oh.
Oops, where'd he go? Oh, he blends into the ground.
Get it back on so I can get on.
Oh, he's on Grandpa's shoe.
He's on my boot.
You can. Do you want to hold him?
No. Hold your hand out.
You can hold him.
Come here, Junior.
He won't hurt you. He's so cute and little like
Let me see your
you.
hand. Hold your hand out. Hold your hand out. Hold your hand out.
Hold your hand. There you go.
Come on, grab him.
You can be very gentle with him.
Put your hand out flat in front of him. Yeah, I'll help you. Here, let me see your hand. Oh! Oh, he's getting away. Just be careful, let him go.
Where did he go? Oh, he blends in so well. Okay. Tell him to hop back.
Look how far he can
Hop
jump.
back into the forest. Hop to the forest.
Oh, little froggy, to the forest.
Are you gonna try to hold him before he goes back to his family? Okay, Mr. Froggy. Okay, come here. You jumped on him. Okay, let me see your hand. Honey. You got him!
That's so cute.
He's so cute.
Oh.
Oh, you just dropped him. Okay, let him go back to his family. He's in the grass. Bye, little frog.
Bye.
Bye, little frog.
Bye bye. He's helping to his family.
That's right. He's going to his family.
He stops every time. He wants something to eat. What do frogs eat?
Frogs eat flies.
Flies?
Do you want to go catch a fly?
Frogs have big tongues to catch flies.
Yeah, so you're thinking he can catch his own fly? That's just grass that touched you.
Oh.
Little miss who's afraid of bugs. Just wanted to give you a quick little update to show what it looks like. So it all connects and then snaps together. He has some internal clips that reach under the RV and pulls this in tight to it so it's flush. And then when he attaches the foam on the top and glues it on, it does not glue to the RV. So the RV is not damaged at all. Everything just attaches to these panels that have a hook that reaches down into the inside and up underneath the skirt, and then it squeezes it in tight up against it to keep us warm and windproof. Okay, it's day 2. The sun is shining. We got a lot done yesterday. Just check out this wood pile. Look at that. That was a lot of work. So now we're going to burn more of that extra bedroom. We're going to finalize the skirt. You have to have your shoes on. We're going to get the skirting on the RV. We are going to maybe pull up the ramper room walls, but for sure we're going to burn more of that back bedroom, and we are going to get the skirting on the RV, like the permanent official way. So we'll show you that.
Oh.
So my honey is digging the trench to put these skirting panels into.
Yeah, I don't think I'll have to put those rebar anchors in. I gotta dig below the gravel, so we'll be fine.
Oh, good.
So, nothing.